Please sit comfortably, in a chair, in your bed, or with cushions. The most important thing to remember is to be comfortable. Sit, don't lie down, and hands should be comfortably in your lap. Close your eyes. Now breathe in deeply. Become aware of your breath as it enters your nostrils. Feel it go down your windpipe, fill into your lungs and your stomach. Breathe in slowly. Now exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. You may notice immediately that your mind begins to wander. You begin to hear the chatter in your brain, sensations in your body, or distractions in the environment. Again, just gently bring your attention back to the breath. Think about the day ahead and make an intent about what you want today to be like. It may be to achieve a certain goal, to feel connected or peaceful, to have a great workout, or get more rest. State the intent and now let it go. Just let it flow away and bring your attention back to your breath, moving in and out. In and out. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Have a wonderful day.